Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the screensaver timer on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Screensavers are animation or videos that appear on your computer when it's idle. They can vary from random image to custom text or even a simple clock. On my previous video, I've shown you how to enable screensaver on MacBook. But now, what if you want to change the timer? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our system preferences. Now, you can go to desktop and screensaver. You can go to screensaver, just click on screensaver in here. So in here, your screensaver will be appear after 1 minute. If you want to change it, maybe you want to make it longer, you can choose 2 minutes or 10 minutes or maybe 1 hour. So after 1 hour, you're not using your MacBook, your screensaver will be appear on your screen like this. It's so simple, right? Maybe for the example, I will just choose for 5 minutes. And maybe if you want to change the screensaver, in here you can just choose. You can also show with clock for your screensaver. You can see the preview will appear like this. So here's the screensaver. It will appear on your MacBook, or you want to choose this one. So after 5 minutes, your screensaver will appear like this on your screen on MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change timer on screensaver on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.